Okay, so today I want to teach you how to properly pack your backpack for when you go backpacking through Glacier National Park. The materials that are required are going to be a sleeping bag, flashlight, your tent, either 2-person or 1-person, water filter, ground pad, paracord for hanging your bear food, mosquito spray, ponchos, pots and pans, jet boiler for cooking food, sleeping pad, water filter, and tent spikes, along with some jet boiler food. So the proper way to pack your backpack is you want to start with the light items on the bottom first. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the sleeping bag. Put that at the very bottom, like so. Next, what we're going to do is I like to put the stakes towards the back side, so that way the heavy weight is towards your back, like so. Next, I like to put the tent rolled up. It's important you do it. Okay. And then you want to stuff it down there so that way it's, you got quite a bit of space. Add your sleeping pad like so. Wherever you want your water filter, I like to keep them on the side so it's easy access as you go through your trails. Good rule of thumb is you want to keep the sleeping bag at the bottom of your pack in the stuff that's more required needs, like mosquito spray, ponchos. You want that to be quick access, so I like to keep that kind of material on the side, like so. And then just keep packing, let's add the base camp, paracord, food bag, put that in there as well. I have a solar charger, just on the trails to make it easy. Pack this up, it's super, super simple. Like so. I usually make videos on my selfie. And if you pack it right, I probably have to edit this video, but that's okay. It's just going to my friend from New York, so. If you pack it correctly, what you get is lots of room. Add whatever you need. And by the time you're done, you should be able to fit almost everything in your backpack with plenty of room to spare to take on the airplane, and then also to store food and water. So, super easy, super convenient. Not that difficult. And then, once everything's packed up and put away, you're good to go. And don't forget the hiking shoes.